Before you start making your video, make sure you position your camera in the appropriate way. Yo. I was just trying to act according to what I was wearing. So what do you think about what I'm wearing? Does it mean that everyone care? You're welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. For the returning subscriber, really appreciate you guys. Turn on your notification bell, okay, so you're going to get more juicy videos from me. Subscribe, comment. Thank you guys. One thing you should know is that some basic equipment and filmmaking knowledge to make you record professional videos on your own. This is just like the beginner tip. At a point, I would definitely probably do a video on the more professional one. Amen to that. Some people just be like, okay, I just wait to get a new phone. Yeah, I understand. Your phone is actually very important. Your camera quality is actually very, very important. So most people really want to make videos, but they feel, okay, I don't have the profession, I don't have the equipment, I don't have the knowledge and everything. I was worse than that. I had no idea or knowledge on anything. Okay, I just believe that, okay, now you just carry your phone VM and be doing video. So far I'm passing a message, but that's not it. The world is revolving. So there are different categories of people. Most people really have good ideas, but they feel that, okay, I don't have the best phone, I don't have the best camera equipment and stuff. While some people actually do have the best phones currently, but they really do not know how to shoot. I'm going to show you, okay, if you can't really shoot your videos on your own. Depends on you and how big you want, how big you want to shoot. These are just simple few tips that I'll be showing you. You don't need to be a Clarence Peters to do this.
So guys, whenever you want to shoot a video, always remember this is the first position you're going to put it. While making your YouTube video, position it horizontally. Never make the mistake of positioning like this. This will be the effect.
Okay, I said this because when I really honestly started making my videos, I made them horizontal. You guys, I was pained. I was shooting for, I think, a wedding for a whole week, and because I'm used to it, I made it is it like this, vertical instead of horizontal. You wouldn't want to have those black bars between your videos. Luckily enough for me, I was able to post it, but that's really not cool. So it's better you make it like this rather than like this. You guys, the sun is out. This is the best period to film your video, when everywhere is bright. Okay, it's really very important. Professionally, if you want to start, you will need your lights, you need your LED lights, softbox, and so many things, which might be just costly, and you really do not have that instantly. Okay, but if you have that, that's really fine. You can start. But in a situation where you don't have that, okay, the best way is look for a place around your house, okay, and ensure that, okay, you know that the light reflection comes out from there very well. For me, this is the best place, the best spot. There are other places, but this is the place I've been able to fish out. So when the sun is out, I'm usually backing the light while it's facing me. You don't go from the back. Let me show you. Now this is where the sun is coming from and facing me, right? Then it's shining on my face. Let me show you from the other side. This is me backing the light. You wouldn't want to do this. You wouldn't want to make a very fantastic video and this is how your video comes out. No, this is me facing the light, the sun is reflecting on me right now. Now the light is currently very dim and I'm backing the light. That's why you see most girls, they love to video around the sun. Let the sun blind their eyes. But no, the sound is also very important. Okay, if you're in a busy or noisy area, it's better you just get a microphone. Even if you're not in a busy area, microphone is actually needed. Most times when I'm doing my videos, a bike might pass on a car, a car on is blaring. I just have to pause, wait for them to go, start again. Somebody's playing music. Or sometimes I just flow along. It's just really annoying. Once you're able to get a mic and connect it, you can't prescribe one. So once you're able to get one that's really nice, then I think you're fine. It's going to really cancel some noises for you. So another thing is ensure that before you start making your video, make sure you position your camera in the appropriate way. Just allow it to just adjust to its your face and everything. Then you start. When you've positioned your camera, just talk. Then you pause it and check the position on how it looks. So imagine I was making a video and this is how the video came out, but this is not really my desired position. That's why I say you should pause, then you adjust it and fix it to the way you want. Sometimes you might be videoing and it's vertical, or some ways that you can even if you're going to use your hand to make videos, don't just start like, so guys, first of all, allow it to balance. Hold your phone for like 5 seconds and hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Adebanke. You're going to need space. Okay, there's some phones that you can actually shoot in I'll put it up there, but I shoot mostly in 4K 30, 4K 60, usually prescribed. So that is what I use. If you're shooting in that space, you need a very large space. Like me, by God's grace, I prefer to get an iPhone 13. That's 1 terabyte. At least the space is large enough for me, because you wouldn't want to be in that space where you need to shoot a video quickly and iPhone is already like iPhone storage full. But that thing is really annoying. I really get pissed and frustrated. Sometimes I might just need to start transferring to my sister's phone, using Zenza. It will even be insulting you on top. If you're using an Android, get a memory card. If it's an iPhone, kind of make sure that, okay, you already have space on your phone. I'm using the 128 gig, which is so small because I'm shooting in 4K. Or ensure that once you make your videos, you edit them and delete the rest that you don't need, or else everything will just be piling up for you. I doubt you want your videos looking like that.
Not everyone knows how to hold a phone and get that perfect non-shaky video. That is why I will prescribe a gimbal stabilizer, which will help stabilize your video. This is a Zhiyun Smooth X. This will really help in avoiding so many shaky videos.
Guys, I can't overemphasize the use of this gimbal stabilizer. Okay, even if you don't have the best equipment yet, but I would recommend you get a gimbal stabilizer. They have the DJI Osmo. Okay, you could watch several YouTube videos on that review. I watched so many before I could get one. I didn't just jumbo. This is really nice. It's budget friendly, unlike the DJI Osmo. But you know, all those professional people, by the time they dissect it for you, just watch videos in order to know the one that will suit what you want. But this is what I use.
I filmed this video while at the market using my hand. One amazing thing about a gimbal is that you get to that point of perfection where even if you're not holding a gimbal stabilizer, you would have mastered the art of making a very straight, clean and clear video.
Let's check the difference between using this background light and when it's switched off. Okay, for these bulb lights and stuff, there's a way it kind of doesn't bring out that natural color. You understand? It's kind of twitchy. So let's check it now. So this is it without the light. Okay, I'm just facing the sun. Why I prefer like to shoot in 4K is that, first of all, YouTube usually reduces the quality of your video and you wouldn't want that. Okay, so it's better you shoot in the highest quality, and aside that, you're also going to like do the setting of your YouTube so that they'll when you post your video to be in the highest quality. Also post using Wi-Fi, because if you're going to use mobile data, it will reduce it. Okay, so when you post in the highest quality, by the time they're going to reduce it, they won't be able to reduce much. But if you post in a very low quality mode, it's going to mess up your video, something that you've already like taken so much, you spent time, effort to do, and it's just looking. Do ensure that you always put your phone on airplane mode. Why? So that whenever you're like doing a video, don't get distracted. Try and watch how to shoot cinematic videos. Okay, there's so many YouTubers that do video on how to take cinematic shots. I got to understand that there's a difference between boring and cinematic shots. It kind of captures people's eye when they like see a different form of video, not the regular. There's this guy I usually watch in case you want to learn how to like video yourself, rather than tell somebody, please come and help me, come and carry phone from. No, you don't need that. When you have your gimbal or your tripod stand, I prefer my gimbal because it's mobile. Okay, you can't be carrying tripod up and down, or just depends on how you want to use it though. Tripod is something that will just stand still. Okay, you now got to understand the difference between like boring videos according to them and cinematic views. So I'm going to be like placing the guy's name. When I find his name on YouTube, you guys can watch it, watch several videos, learn it. I mean, this is something you can learn on your own, different ways you can do self-shooting and all. With time, I don't know, probably I'm going to do an unboxing of a gimbal stabilizer. If you'd like me to do it, let me know. these are just few tips I'm giving for the beginners. Natural light is actually the best source, but you can't rely on it so much. See why I said so.
The light provided by the sun is still the best light source you can have in your video, but the issue is that natural light changes quickly, which makes it highly unpredictable. Now, the best way to deal with this is that you get prepared for whatever you want to shoot and do what you want to do as quickly as possible.
Get your LED lights, what they call it, softbox. Watch so many videos on how to like set them up. Even in lighting, you have to set your lighting professionally, okay? So try and watch all those things, learn it. These are things like you can do DIY stuff. Thank you so much guys for following me through on my video. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and also put on your notification bell for you to get more information and nice videos from me, guys.